Okay, so this is, I won't say there's a lot at stake because we just said you can lose and win too, but then I think it's easier to win that first match to ensure your place in the final round. So here, Blackjack is already on top of the stairs with 2 carpets, and RCR have a ton of spots collected in 1 basket of popcorn. The small robot from RCR is attempting to climb the stairs and drawing their little carpets. I think RCR have almost collected all the yellow, not yet, but almost all the yellow spotlights. We have 2 carpets, the 4 carpets are up and 1 small robots are up on top of the stairs. So Blackjack have already built a tower of 5 high, so a big spot, and we have 4 of the clocks that have been scored. 10 seconds left, and I have to be quick.